Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to see calories burned in Strava. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So it is actually quite simple on how you can see your calories burned in your Strava. So after you have set up your account in Strava and then you have already used the app in tracking your journey in fitness, what you can do, so when viewing your post ride or post run statistics, you'll actually see your calories here. So it is located on the bottom right corner. So as simple as that, you should be able, so as you can see here in the photo, so as you can see, it says right here 225 calories. So it simply means that this person or that used the Strava burned to 425 calories. So that's it for this video. That's how you can see the burn calories in Strava. So, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.